This is the multifunctional camping fan, and it came packaged really nice. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. And my opinion is I love these types of portable rechargeable fans. Inside the package, you're going to get the instructions, really super easy to read. Not that you really need them, it's pretty self-explanatory. You get about a 4-foot long USB to Type-C cable because this is a rechargeable device. It's actually a rechargeable 3-in-1 device. It's obviously a fan, but it also has a built-in light in here. And it has a 10,000 milliamp battery in it, so it can also be used as a power bank if you need it, and you charge it right there. It comes in a few different colors. I have the military green here, and it's made out of an ABS material. It's about 10 inches tall, 7.5 inches long, and it's about 4 inches wide, and it weighs in at just 1 pound, 15 ounces, and it feels pretty sturdy. You also get a remote control in here that does all the same functions that you have on the panel right here. And let me show you how it works. It has a handle on the top, and it also has a hook on the bottom with these 4 rubber feet. It's perfect if you want to hang it on something like a tree branch or in a tent to save room, and you can control with the remote. You can adjust the fan any way you want. It's 270 degrees up and down. There are 4 different fan speeds on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th time turns it off. It also oscillates 90 degrees right to left. You can see the 4 lights on here, and it has 3 different light settings, low, medium, and high, and the 4th time turns it off. So that's good for all kinds of stuff, especially if you're camping. It has a timer on here too with 4 different settings, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. I actually prefer to have a timer on these things, these types of fans, because they're relatively quiet, and I forget to turn them off sometimes. So this is a pretty cool, convenient item to have. It's perfect as a desk fan. You could even use this in a car. It's perfect for camping, you know, inside of a tent or hanging on a tree branch. Perfect for RVs. All kinds of uses. Very nice.